Hi guys, you're welcome back. So today I am going to show you how I stretch my 22 inches silky long straight hair. I started off by using my wax stick to straighten the hair. Then after that I have to use my stretcher to stretch the hair. Then I have to comb out with my comb. Then after that I have to use my stretcher to make the hair flat. After combing out the hair, the next step was to use my hot comb to comb out the hair to flatten the front. The hair looks very nice when it's flat and natural. It makes it look so classy and elegant. So guys, watch out. So guys, after combing out, the next step was for me to wear the hair, guys, and the hair is looking so beautiful, guys. So after wearing my hair and adjusting the band, the next step was for me to cut out the excess lace. After cutting out the excess lace, I have to now comb out and style it, guys. And the hair is looking so elegant and classy the way I want it to look. So guys, this is just basically how I was able to style this beautiful hair. And guys, the hair is looking so lovely and beautiful. And guys, I think I'm giving myself a 10 over 10. What do you think, guys? Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. I love you guys so much. Mwah.
We are our own personal East Side story. Girl, I love the things that you do for me. It's our own personal East Side story. The way you move is just so make a man wanna give his all. Baby, tell me what you wanna do, 'cause you had me at your beck and call. Why your homies always hating? We've been at this for so long, but we keep on and on and on and on. If they don't like love like ours, I'm sorry. We got our own personal East Side story. Girl, I love the things that you do for me. It's our own personal East Side story.